Now to play music, what you do, you go to your tunes, your music there. I'm going to turn that down, but you just see at the bottom there, if I click on that, you've got iPhone and Mini 12770. There's a tick next to Mini 12770, so that means any audio that plays on my phone now, if you've got this set up properly, it will play through the speakers on the phone. So we'll go back to the music, we'll click play, it's turned down, and now have to go over here, and so you go to menu, click on menu, then you've got this. We turn the rotary control round till we get to multimedia, click on multimedia, and then external devices. If you want sound, you can change the settings, treble, bass, balance and so on, but what we want is external devices, select, and then you see they're not connected, that's USB, iPhone auxiliary front and Barry's iPhone. So we'll select Barry's iPhone. It's showing now the record playing on my iPhone, and if I turn this up like so, and then I turn it up here, that's it playing.